This street vendor specializes in Som Tum. She makes it all kinds of different ways. Here she's going to demonstrate how to peel a green mango. Those are sour mangoes. Delicious. They're served as a treat and then also shredded, as in she does here, for Som Tum. She's peeling it. She's quite good with that cleaver. She hits the mango over and over that way, and then the other direction creates the matchstick slices. Those will be pounded up in the clay mortar to make Som Tum. It's possible to buy a modern peeler. In fact, if you look to the right of your screen, you can see we sell the super peeler from Thailand. But having uneven and different sized pieces gives the dish more character, and it's just the traditional style of peeling this that is still very prevalent among Som Tum makers. We also have a demonstration of how to peel a papaya using this same technique. If you look to the right of your screen, you'll see that. Thank you very much for watching.